What up, y'all? Ooh, y'all, it is so hot. I'm on my way to pick up Lele. Can y'all even see? It looks foggy. Happy. Oh, oh, uh-oh. 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 Happy, what's today? Wednesday, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Y'all, my light, oil maintenance required light is on. So, after I pick her up, we gotta go get my oil changed. I think that's what that means. Like, what else could it mean? But, yeah, I told y'all, yesterday, I was going to be, I had turned this air on in a few minutes. Yesterday, well, right now, I told y'all that I was going to be, me and Mersha was going to be doing Captain D's. Didn't get a chance to do Captain D's yesterday, because of reasons that I just don't even feel like talking about. But we're going to do it today. I can't wait, y'all. I cannot wait. Ooh, it's hot. God, dog. Y'all, and today is my mom's birthday. Why she told us she doesn't want to do nothing. She just wants to chill. I was like, okay. I guess chill it is. You know, I don't know. I guess we're just gonna chill. I guess we're just gonna go over there and chill. And she wants the kids to come over. She said she wants the kids to come over on Saturday. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where I'm gonna go and get my oil changed at. Maybe, I wonder if that Walmart over there does oil changes. Cause I know in Bryan, our Walmart did oil changes, and that's where I went to go get my oil changed every time because it's cheaper than anywhere else, y'all. Walmart oil changes, okay? Walmart. Everywhere else, it's like, well, at Walmart, let me tell you what it is at Walmart first. At Walmart, it's like, how much was it? $20? Or was it $21? Something like that. And everywhere else, y'all, it was double that price. Like $35 to $40. I'm like, I wonder what the difference is. Like, what is the difference? Is it just that it's Walmart? Like, it shouldn't be that big of a difference, I don't think. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when I pick Lele up. Y'all make sure y'all be checking your all my giveaway winners. Make sure y'all be checking your mailboxes and stuff for your prize, because it was mailed off on yesterday. I need to put it in a community tab so y'all would know, because the vlog from yesterday hasn't even come out yet. So y'all still don't know that your prize. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it in the community tab as soon as possible, so y'all will know to be looking out for it. Do y'all know that I am still joined with Planet Fitness? Like, I still pay my money every month for Planet Fitness, y'all, and I have not even been. I haven't even been. I'ma holler at y'all. I almost about to tell y'all know Cardi B and Offset had their baby, and they named her Culture, and I think that name is super cute. I have never heard of anybody call their baby Culture. I think it's so cute. Like, you know what I'm saying? The baby's gonna have a lot of culture. You know, like, I think it's super duper cute. And I think it's super duper cute that Offset and Cardi B got married before they told anybody. Like, they already got married, honey, secretly. And that's real messed up. Did Offset cheat on her after they got married? Was that after? I guess it doesn't even matter. If Cardi B don't care, guess what? I don't either. I don't either. And shouldn't nobody else care either. Let them be happy with their brand new baby. And then she took a pregnancy photo in some beautiful flowers. Oh, it was so pretty. I just thought it was the most beautiful pregnancy photo. It was so pretty to me. And people think she being like Beyonce. Like, ain't nobody in this world ever took a photo in some daggone flowers. Like, that was not the first time I saw a pregnant woman take a photo in flowers when I saw Beyonce's. And I didn't like Beyonce's pregnancy photo, to be honest with you. I thought it looked really strange. I just really did. I gotta be honest. I love me some Beyonce. She's Houston hometown talent, baby. But I wasn't feeling that picture. I like Cardi B's though. I like it. Like, I like it a lot. I say I like it like that. Love it, y'all. I absolutely love it. But anyway, I'ma holla at y'all. Yeah, I just called Walmart and they do oil changes at this one over here. But why they only $19.88? Not $21 or whatever I said. They are $19.88. Yeah, I'm a little late coming to pick up Lele, cause your girl had to use the bathroom. Okay, I have to get my oil change, y'all. He getting all the little specs and everything he needs from me. Oh, thanks.
You have your keys?
Yeah.
All right, it's gonna be about a 30-35 minute wait.
Oh, now somebody just told me a whole hour.
Well, I was doing this, but since he's here, I'm just gonna do you right now.
Yay! Okay, great.
But that doesn't, because what's probably gonna happen as I work on your car, somebody's gonna pull up and I'm gonna have to stop to work on it. So
to do theirs instead of mine?
Huh?
To do theirs instead of mine?
No, I just have to write them up.
Oh, okay.
And that usually.
See, the thing is, I'm glad you said something, because I was gonna go in there and get my nails done. That's gonna take way longer.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Because I'm probably gonna be distracted, and 35 is gonna turn to like 45.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna go into Walmart. They actually have a nail shop in Walmart, and I'm getting my nails done because my nails are literally growing past this acrylic, which is weird, and they're breaking off, and it just looks a mess. Sure, you can get your nails painted, Lay.
I'm gonna get yellow.
Anyway, so I'll holla. Leah's getting her nails painted. And I'm getting mine done also. I'm getting yellow powder with an accent nail. These are my nails. Oh! Yeah, it's that hot. Got my nails done. They were supposed to be yellow, but it looks like they're mustard yellow, matte with a accent nail of my favorite glitter. If y'all can see that. Anyway, I just love the way this color looks on my skin. Anyway, so we're on our way home, y'all. I need to figure out how I'm going to shoot this daggone video, because I have to go and get I have to go and get the food from Captain D's, and I have to fry my fish. So
wait,
I have to do it to where all of the food is still hot when we get on video. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Anyway, so yeah, so we're on. I should go and get the food right now. That's what I should do.
Oh please, then it's really
and then
cold.
Yeah, it would be. I like it like that. Anyway, we're gonna holler at y'all a little bit later.
Chose me, you ain't a pimp, you a fairy.
Oh, you a fairy. That's my favorite part of that whole song.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. The grass is greener on that other side, if you know what I mean.
What up, y'all? What's the mother flipping deal? Alright, so I am on my way to Captain D's to get this food. We're about to film this good old video. Murder Show is frying my fish. First, I didn't want him to because I didn't know if he was gonna do it, like, you know what I'm saying, how I like it. But I think I was just putting too much on myself, you know what I'm saying? Might as well let him help out. But y'all, I don't like my nails. I have to be honest, like, I don't like them. I don't like the color. Like, when she had pulled out the yellow, it looked like a bright yellow, but when she put it on my finger, it was so dark. I was like, ugh. Like, I don't like to wear mustard yellow on my fingernails. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna wear anything on my fingernails, it's gonna be a bright, summery color. Something either fluorescent or pastel. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like no regular colors, you know. And this is a ew. It just, I don't like it. That's just it. Like, I don't even want to try to compare it to nothing. I just don't. But I'm gonna have to deal with it. I just got them done today, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. At least I got one glittery nail, so something about this set could make me, you know, happy to look at my nails. But yeah, it doesn't matter if I would have gotten them, even though I got them matte, it wouldn't have mattered if I got them shiny. I still wouldn't have liked the color. You know what I'm saying? I still wouldn't have liked it because it's too, the yellow is just too dark. Like, it's darker than this mustard color romper I have on. It's darker. So anyway, I hope everybody is having an amazing day, y'all. This mukbang is about to be fire. I can't wait. I just hope he don't burn my fish, y'all. That would ruin the entire mukbang if he burns my fish. I just hope to God he don't burn it, y'all. Let's pray that he don't burn my fish, y'all. Turn this down. Yeah, y'all. So, come to find out, my mama don't even want no company. Like, she wants us to come over on Saturday. I don't know why. I know why. Probably because my sister has to come straight from work. That's why. That's why. And it'll probably be easier for her if we do it on the weekend. Yeah, that makes sense, because her not wanting to do anything just didn't make too much sense to me. But she still don't want to do anything. She just wants us to come over. She wants everybody to come over on Saturday. So anyway, I'm gonna listen to these directions to go to this spot, and I'ma holla back. What up, y'all? Come on, bud.
look confused.
Yeah, he look confused, like he don't really want to go. Come on.
Is you gonna open up the door for him?
He know how to open it up.
Daddy probably making him go so his daddy want a live stream.
All right, y'all. So we have everybody. We're about to go to TGI Fridays to get the kids mukbang for the day.
Hi.
Let's do this. That's my she's spoke. Oh my.
Have you checked the mail yet?
Oh my goodness. For today, I don't think I did. Oh, my bad. Don't you hate when you accidentally honk the horn? You didn't mean to. We'll check it on the way back. Kiki, do you love me? I swear I want to do that dance so bad. I'm gonna do it. What in the world? Jaden! What are you doing? Oh my gosh. We're gonna holler back.
Starting over. What's up, Yummy Bodies? Welcome back to another video. So today we have TGF Friday. I don't know, whatever.
TGI Friday.
TGI Friday. Yes, thank God it's Friday. That's how you say it. Okay. So we have the Cajun, what is this called?
Cajun pasta.
Cajun pasta, and we got cheeseburger and fries and dip.
Chips and dip. Jaden has fries and ketchup. So.
And I have a Hawaiian punch for my drink.
Yeah, I didn't tell y'all I bought a vacuum cleaner. So, finally, got a chance to vacuum Jaden's room. Okay, put all the toys in the toy boxes. Oh, God. This was a job right here. Still have to reorganize stuff back the way it was. So I had to vacuum under all of this stuff. So I just need to fix his little old bed. Didn't see these toys. All Jaden gonna do is take everything right back out. So get a good look while you can. Because this is what it's supposed to look like. Minus the clothes that just got washed, they need to be hung up. Yeah. All right. Hey, show. What's going down? Jaden, what you was just doing? Oh, I see some cookies on his little thing here. That needs to be gotten up.
You already know that.
Jaden, what is that you spitting out? Get that. Do you see that thing? Get that. Yeah, exactly. Where did that even come from? I say I like it like that. Dilly Wop over here. Don't turn. Girl, move.
Stop, I don't even know where I'm going.